Hi guys, it has been a long minute and you're about to get some footage of me vlogging the end of my, well, not the end of my day, after work day. I'm finally harvesting our potato plant. I will show you what it looks like. You'll see in old videos what it started like, and we're hoping the harvest is a harvest because it was only one potato in here. We planted only one potato. The garden bag is not the same as what my mother's was. She had a felt one. I bought another one, and when it was delivered, it was like a plastic bag. It did have holes at the bottom, and it started growing like tubing just a tad, and it like disappeared. So I'm thinking something got attached to it, because it is outside on the balcony where we have squirrels and everything else, child. So here we go. I'm about to show you before we harvest. I have an Amazon box that I'm about to use. Gonna put the plant inside of it because it's just a pot. Remember, we used the pot, and so you can see the process. Here's the box. And that's taped down here, so it's not gonna go on the carpet. So I'm gonna push my box towards me, and I'm gonna bring the pot down. I can do it with both hands because I don't have a tripod. Whoa! Okay, so this is the pot. That is the plant. Remember, that is the only time you're supposed to harvest. Now, there will barely be bugs in this thing. Yazzie is doing homework, so. Yes, I need to fill in. So here we go. This is, now we're supposed to harvest it when it die over. I probably was supposed to harvest it 2 weeks ago, so hopefully they're not overripe or rotten. Let's check. All right. This is the pot tilted on the side. As you can see, it got quite a few tubings that came up. Just putting on my garden gloves because I'm not for sure what's in it, even though it's on a balcony. If you hear me scream, no worries. This is a really big one. As you can see, it's really thick. It's really hard. All the way down in the box. It's a small one on this side. And then this is from this one. Now, mind you, this is just from one potato. I was going to save this dirt because, you know, I'm a gardening YouTubing university. They said save the dirt. It might be good dirt, but we're moving some. So, oh, I'm so nervous. Ah! Sorry, y'all. I know someone told. Oh, you see it? You see it? They told me not to water it before you harvest because you don't want. Oh my gosh, it's another potato. Oh, okay. Oh, it's some over right here. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. Oh, that's a one. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I grew a potato. Oh goodness. Okay, should I keep it in the box? Let's see. Okay, no. Because I owe some little baby ones, as you can see right here. It's a little baby one, it's a little small one. Couple smalls. A lot of people say they use these like in soups and stuff, but I'm not for sure if that's even worth keeping. But we're gonna, I need to find somewhere to put these so we can count how many potatoes Dominique harvested, child, from one potato. Another little baby one. Slightly bigger. I might need to keep this dirt. And I use some fertilizer. It's another little baby one. These weren't big potatoes. The first potato is about the size of the one I planted. Okay, that's just dirt. Let's see if there's any came up over here. Here. Okay, there go another one. More decent size. So these would be like those petite potatoes. I really don't want to get too rough with them. And the dirt smells like dirt. There's no chemicals or nothing in there. I didn't even spray for bugs. Well, technically, these are organic. Got another little one. I forgot what they said about the green ones. This one might be, I don't know. We'll see. I don't think that one's gonna be it. I don't think no super small is gonna be edible. I'm hoping I can get a nice size one. Look like some coming up. Oh, sorry, y'all. Let me stop the video and then come back just for a minute. Alright, so here we go. See what we can get. What this one is right here. Which is fail. That's a nice, another nice size. There's one hiding in there. Another nice size. Make sure I don't want to get too hard. I'm hoping I can get a little more. At least get 7 out of it. And 7 for perfection. Actually, my house is already. Okay, I'm hoping that might be it. Look at that. I can take that off. That's a good root. Let's put that on top of there. Okay, this was way in that soil. Might still keep this soil. Let's see, there's nothing down there. Let me tube. The root. Let's see. Might be still, yeah, the dirt is still good. Look at that. Something was growing. I wonder if, please don't tell me I'm playing with a worm. No, I wonder if I would have had a bigger pot. Because it's, I know it's harvested, so maybe these were coming along. I don't know if there's no more potatoes. Uh-oh, something's right there. There's dirt. As you can see, there's still more dirt in here. And I'm gonna come back. Let me get in this dirt, y'all. Alright, so I was looking for the potato I started with. And it was a whole potato that had some eyes on it. And it kind of like basically composted itself. This is it. It composted itself. Basically, yeah, as you can see the skin. And it composted. Now, a gardener on YouTube did tell me, I'll see here's a few more pieces, like the potato skin, that you could put like grape, when you have grapes and those vines from it, you could put that as a compost. Banana peels, look up which ones, which produce you use that stuff with. if you growing tomatoes, I believe, have to grow separate from some stuff. So you have to look into that because tomatoes is acidic. So with some stuff, there's different plants you have to plant differently. Look at that soil. It's good soil still. It is some roots in there. Still good soil. Well, actually might keep the soil and use it for something else. Maybe do a home potato and see. Whew. So look at that. I filled up the whole box. And then that's what I could find from the potato. That's what I could find. It was a little bit bigger than the potato that we harvested. And now it's time to see the harvest. Alright guys, so here's the harvest. This is the potato I started with. It's just skin, the potato done composted itself. This is the one potato that was like, yeah, I don't know what that is. And then here we go. Now, mind you, this was not a big potato that was planted or that I used as a seed. So, 1, 2, 3. I don't know if we should count these little ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we count all of them as one, nah. Where there's 8 or 9, that is still a good harvest and a profit because I only planted 1, seeded 1. And look at the harvest. Drop 1 seed and look what you can do. Alright, I'm about to get ready to edit this video, upload it, and I think that I am going to let one of these, I may try to put this on some wet paper towel to see if it would root. I'm not sure, and if it does, we will probably use these as our chitters. We'll see. So we can start over again. This one's lightly green, but it just might not be ready yet. And I think if I keep that in the sun or out, it might get better. No, not in the sun. I have to look into it. But here's their little mini spuds. Little mini taters. I do think that I am going to use quite a few of these, if not more. I'm gonna see if I can chip this, grow this to get rooted and see. And then some of these I am going to, like this one it still has the little spout on it, so I'm going to see if I can use this as one of my chits, so I can let it chit. Let's see if we'll do it from there. Look at the little mini potato. That's it. I'm actually proud of it. Talk to you later. By the way, I did harvest this inside because it was on a balcony.